Hey everybody, welcome back to the farm. Today we're working on the 1840K skid steer that we've got from Mr. Gordon Bright. We're going to fix the hay spear on it. We have planned on doing it and I finally broke it off. So come along with us and check us out while we try to make it hay spear work a little better for you. Alright, they had a weld on spear there on a bracket that was bolted on. What we're going to do is we've got a sleeve here, a tapered sleeve, and we're going to cut a hole in the tube with the plasma cutter, put the sleeve through it, weld it in, and there's a new spear we got for it. So come along and let's try to get it switched over. Then you can take the spear off if you need the attachment for something else. Alright, we got the plate off. Let's go about halfway. Center it up the best we can. Let's try to mark around it. There's our hole. Alright, we're going to try it with the Forney Easy Weld 20P.
Outside?
Yeah, outside of the line. Look at your ground. Alright, as y'all can see, the Forney Easy Weld 20P still doing a fine job for us here on the farm. No, we're not backed by them or anything, but seems to be a real good product. I'm not sure if you're supposed to be welding on a piece of a loaner equipment or not, but maybe he won't see it. Not too bad. If my son was here, he could tell me what I done wrong. But I guarantee you it'll hold till it breaks. Got it welded up. test fit the spear in. It was a good time to test it after it was welded, wasn't it? Cleaned up the little splatter that was on it. Let's try to pull the spear back out and get a little paint on it. That's still a little bit hot to paint. Let's go look at the 5140 for a second. You can see the tint line. The tint comes down to there on it. Really helps a lot as far as the sun glare and all. And that's 20%. And it does make it a little tougher to see at night. We was tedding hay Thursday night when it started making a noise. I killed it, jumped out, opened the hood, and it was the AC compressor. Let's open the hood up. There's the AC compressor. It's locked up. So we've got one ordered. Should be here any day, and we'll get it put on, and probably gonna put I think that's your dryer filter right there. I can't get my hand to get under there. Right there's your dryer filter, I'm pretty sure. It looks new, but we're gonna go ahead and put a new one on. Then we'll vacuum it and recharge it and see what we got going on. Let's go back and see if it's cool enough now we can finish painting the hay spear. Being we just welded that sleeve in, one thing I like to do is I'll take a little grease and just put on the taper part of the spear, so that way if it tries to rust up down the road in the future, when and if we have to change it, or if you take it off or whatever, maybe it'll try to stop it from rusting and corroding up in the taper sleeve there. Well, that's it on the hay spear. Now I'm trying to find some 1-inch solid bar around, try to make some new stabilizers there. If not, I'll try to put them into press and straighten them out. But I believe that'll hold. At least it'll hold until it breaks. I appreciate y'all watching. Hit the thumbs up for us if you would. Subscribe, ring the bell where you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Check out our second channel, Gerraldfarms Raw. We've got a link on our homepage to our Teespring store to get you some Gerraldfarms merch if you want some. Also check us out on Anything Ag. There's a Facebook group that we have. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.